Hello, my name is Bruce McDonald, and I'm sitting here with Charlie Sheen, who is the cult leader of Sunshine.
Aha. Så, okay. What is your purpose with your group?
The purpose is to create a new and better London, a London where everyone can live as even individuals.
Yeah, that sounds very good, but how do you want to accomplish that?
I want to break the layers of social status by helping the people in London.
But why do you think people get annoyed when you try to help them?
Because they don't know what's good for them. I have the plan inside my head to make all the changes to change the future for the best.
But is there a reason why you only have guys in your group and not girls?
Society today put a male status way higher than girls. I want to make men and women equal.
Do you force the members in your group to execute the missions?
Of course not. I try to explain my visions for them and they choose to follow me as their leader. They are in the group because they have seen the truth.
Why do you think the members stay in your group?
They have seen the light. They know what we must do.
I'm Bruce McDonald, and this was Charlie Sheen.